What's the meaning of cowrie? Cowrie. Cowrie.
Cowrie. Cowrie. Cowrie refers to a marine mollusk with a glossy, dome-shaped shell that is commonly used as currency, jewelry, and clothing decoration in various cultures. The cowrie shell has a long and fascinating history, dating back thousands of years, and has been associated with wealth, prosperity, fertility, and spirituality. In some African and Afro-Caribbean religions, cowrie shells are used in divination rituals or as offerings to the deities. Conversely, cowrie shells have also been criticized for being a symbol of colonial exploitation, as they were often used by European traders as a means of acquiring slaves and other commodities.